let's see. I'm gonna see how this works. Um, I'm gonna go here. Um, I need to go to um, where's the link for this? Okay, so let me let me copy that. Change that to live chat, and I'm gonna go to scripts, select select browser source, G chat, YouTube ID, paste, and what does that say? Remember, okay, so I'm gonna go back to this mode. Um, okay. Um, Now I need to go to, oh wait, I need to go to, wait, YouTube live streaming, then testing. Okay, and then we're going to, um, we're gonna see if we can go to, no, we don't want this. We just want your channel. Um, live. Um, live. I don't know how to, okay, so I'm going to print screen. Um, Select a region. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to save that. That looks somewhat better. I'm going back to Google Gemini to ask them. So it ends up looking like this on my stream. How to make the background transparent within the Lua script. Um, So I can actually interact, right? Okay. Hmm. um. Here is the code you gave me. Me along with the image screenshot. I want the background to be transparent instead of white. So I'm going to go to upload files. First, I'm going to upload this. And then I'm going to go to my home.config file. I got hiccups. OBS Studio, scripts, and then YouTube chat.lua. Show full. I don't care about that. Full code, please. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go back into OBS. Um, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my code. Um, copy YouTube chat.lua. Um, um, tube chat.bk1. And now we're going to go to rm YouTube chat.lua. YouTube chat.lua. And then we're going to go into paste, save. Okay, so now we go back into OBS and then go into tools, scripts, and then we are going to refresh, update chat now. Oh, that looks clean. We're so close. We're so close, guys. Okay, so I need to figure this out now. That's cool. Okay, so now we got that. Um, I think we still got much more to go to. Um, okay, so now we need to go to print screen. Select region. And then we're going to save. And now I'm going to go back in and ask the bot again. Pictures. Go back to the last screenshot. Okay. The main background is gone, is transparent now. Now we have to get the white background to be transparent, that for um, for the chat comments. Okay, that's kind of pretty cool. The main container, but YouTube apps in their own cards or rows, which are still holding on to white background. Um, okay, so they updated the full code. Okay, so now we go into here. Then we can hit X. Um, uh, Move YouTube chat.lua. YouTube chat lua bk2 nano YouTube chat dot lua. We're gonna make a new one, and then we're gonna paste the new one. Paste that. Save. Exit out of that. Now I'm gonna come back in here into OBS and go to my tools, scripts, YouTube chat. Um, refresh. Update chat. Oh man, that is perfect. That looks so beautiful. So, okay. So now I got to figure this out. Um, so our main panel, um, right panel, I'm going to edit transform, close. Uh, okay, I'm going to copy transform there on the right panel. Uh, this is where I make my right panel. This is my right side panel. I'm pasting the transform the OBS transform below. I need to know what I need to set the browser source to, and if I need to update our Lua script again or not. Oh, sorry. I thought copying transform would be able to paste here. It does not. The right panel image panel background. I want to put the browser source over and match has this for settings. Okay, so now I go, yeah, I don't want that. Yeah, there's Discord. That looks fancy. Let's see, reading. Me. Yeah, I tried to use, let me collapse that. Shift enter. Okay, so I'm going to go into back. Oh, Firefox again. Right panel, properties. In properties, the width is one. In properties, the width is 1920 and the height is 1080. When I edit transform the info is when I enter the position is copy 310 by 630. Okay. Okay, so browser. Wait, we'll go into browse this one. Um, so um, remove. Um, uh, wait. Okay, so let me just uh do a browser. YouTube chat. Okay. Um, so the the width needs to be 310. 310. And the height needs to be 630. Okay, so copy 1605. So tools, scripts, refresh, update now. So transform, edit transform. So 1605 5 by 450. Okay. That's actually pretty cool. So now if I go into not that. I don't care about that. Um, yes, I see the Mandela effect. What's weird is that now in Isaiah 11:6, there is a wolf there instead of a lion. Where did the where did the lion uh, disappear to? Okay, so um, Okay, so now I can go back to OBS. Let me go back to OBS. So that one's good. So I can, oh wait, no, I need to go back to here. Okay, so let me print screen, active window, save. We're gonna go back to Gemini. We're really close. On the right lower side of the preview window, you can see chat, but the last line of text goes under the border overlay I have set up. What can we do to move the text up one line so the whole message gets seen? Sorry, I didn't show screenshot. Okay. Okay. Um Show full code, please. Okay, so let me see. Please. Okay. Scroll bars. Um, can please make the username color bold, please. Okay, so we're gonna try this. Okay, so now I need to go here. Yeah, go here. LS move YouTube chat.lua YouTube chat.vk3 nano YouTube chat.lua. We're gonna paste in our new code. Save X. Okay, we'll go to our scripts. Reload. Update chat now. Um, yeah. Let's try this one. Um, RM YouTube chat Lua nano YouTube chat Lua paste save X tools scripts refresh. Okay, so okay. RM YouTube chat Lua copy YouTube chat bk3 YouTube underscore chat Lua. Okay, so now I go back to tools, scripts, reload, update chat, close. Okay, so okay, so now I'm gonna go back to this one, and I'm going to copy my old message. I'm gonna paste it again, and now we're gonna go back into OBS. Huh. Um. That's very curious. Okay, so now I need to go back to my live settings. Go to Google Gemini. Okay. Let's go back to this code and retry the padding thing alone to try to get the last line visible. Last line of chat visible. That is the current goal. Okay, so upload, screenshot, open, add file, upload, uh, config, OBS, scripts, YouTube chat.lua, open. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to rm YouTube chat.lua, YouTube chat.lua, and then we're gonna paste in the new selection, paste, save, exit, go back into here, go back to our tools, scripts, refresh, update chat. Okay, so now I go back into our YouTube chat again, and then I'm going to copy, paste, maybe I think that's a little much, maybe. Okay. What do I need to do now? This is kind of cool though. That is wonky. It's jank. I need to let me go to Google Gemini to get rid of the echo. Okay, so OBS, close. Let me go to YouTube chat.lua, where 50, where 60. We're gonna try 50px. And then we're gonna go to tools, Scripts, reload, update chat. Okay, so now if I go back here and I don't want that. Okay, and then I go copy, paste, then OBS, I get 60 to 50. Let's see if let's see what happens if we put the padding to 20. Okay, so go back to here, reload, update chat now. And then I think I have to do this over again. Copy, paste. Okay, I think that's it. I think I got it. I may have it. So if I go back to in here, okay, so that's looking good. Why why does background of my name, why is the background my name yellow? Hmm. Um, transparent. What do I do to make the color background isn't the color there the font color? I'm talking about the yellow background around the name text. Okay, so let's go back to author name. Color. FFCC00. What's the color for black? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Scripts, reload, update code. I think we're done. I think we have it. That's that's pretty cool. So now if I take this, I can um, copy. Um, we can go into our terminal here and uh, paste. Um, we'll put that right there. Um, and this one we can paste. And then paste again. I actually kind of like that. Um, that's probably as good as I'm getting. That looks so smooth. I love it. I love it so much. Oh, alrighty. So now if I just stick with YouTube, then so now I just have to fix my home screen because so there's Discord. It looks kind of nice. Then the Nintendo Super Mario Brothers. That's cool too. And Firefox. I think we got one more fix to do though, which um, I need to fix that now too. So, okay. I'm happy with the code for the most part, but whenever I load the, and I need to quit. Where it, oh goodness, let me go to OBS. Whenever I load a scene, um, load different scene, I get that stupid welcome to live chat message. We need to somehow remove that. I've shared the current code and screenshot. Okay, so we're gonna print screen. Active window. Save. Save. Go back here. Upload file. YouTube chat.lua. Open. And we're gonna go back to pictures. Screenshot. And there. Okay, so we're gonna go in here. We're gonna go back to our let me open up OBS real quick. I'm gonna go in the terminal here. Okay. We are going to exit that ls, move YouTube chat dot lua, YouTube chat dot bk4 because that's our next version of backup. Nano YouTube chat dot lua. Paste to that. We're gonna go to where, and let me see. Okay, so that's the only one. So we're gonna drop that back down to 20. Save X, because I don't know what this bot was thinking with that. Okay, so go to tools, script, reload, update chat. Oh, I think that's beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna have to figure another chat for this one. Okay, so okay, first of all, I need to check out um, this one because I'm probably going to need another source for that one. Um, um, like I need a full on. So, so we're going to go here. We are going to um, go into browser. Um, uh, we are going to call this chat overlay. Um, no, no, we don't want that. Remove. We're going to go into um, image. Um, chat window over chat. Wait, chat border overlay. Chat border uh, overlay. Yeah. Okay. So browse. Um, let me go back into my content. No, it's in OBS overlay windows. Big. And open that. I need to figure out how to get. So we're going to transform, edit transform. Okay, so this one, 626. We need for this to not overlap me when I. Is that as far as I go? Okay, so that's the width of it. And now it needs to go. What is the height? Copy that. Now we go back to this. Transform, edit transform, paste. Uh, 800. Um, 1080. Okay, so 501 by 180. Okay. Um, chat, chat background panel, chat panel. Okay, so plus uh, color source, chat panel color. Um, so 501, 1080. Okay, so there's that. Uh, there's the overlay. That looks a little better. Bottom panel, properties. We're going to copy that. Okay, go back home. Cancel. Um, select color. Paste. Enter. Okay. Oh, this is looking better. I'm not exactly sure how. I can probably do the same thing with the other one, maybe. Okay, so now we need tools, scripts. Hmm. let me copy this and see if I can uh, paste. Um, um, transform 501 1080. Oh wait, 0 0 size 501 1080. Close that. So now we have this, 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 and the only thing left is this. Huh. So we need, um, we'll go to home. We'll go back to chat border overlay. We're going to copy that. We'll go to reading. Um, uh, paste. Okay, so there's that. And and okay, so that's how far can I go? How far can I lean? And then okay, so now we're gonna go to transform. Um, so there's the width, there's the zero. Okay, so now we can go to uh, order edit transform, and now we need to just go down to whatever height we need for our window. So I can go okay. So we can close that. Now we have our chat window. And although I think with that we need to, okay, so that can go there. So now we can get the chat panel color. We're going to copy that. We'll go to reading and we will paste that under here. Edit transform. We're going to copy that. So the chat panel color is copy. We're just gonna see if we can paste transform it. Yeah, that didn't work. So we'll undo that. Chat border overlay is that copy. Let me paste. Okay. So now we need transform. So that's 1079. 1079. Okay, so now we got the chat border that, and I mean it's slowly looking better, I think. And the only thing that kind of gets cut off a little bit is the uh, drink. um. Okay. So now we can go to YouTube, our YouTube chat. Um, yeah, because that needs to be underneath, tucked underneath that, I think. Yeah, that's looking pretty schmoozy. I love it. So, let me go back here. Um, so we have YouTube chat back out. Okay, so there's that. There's Inochi. There's YouTube chat. The right panel needs to go above it. Oh, wait, no. This one needs to go above it. No. Okay, so this is Inochi. This one, okay, that's chat itself. Oh, that automatically goes under. Okay, I can't do anything about that. It's so these. Okay, so there's that. I got, so now the only thing left is to uh uh, wait, I'm gonna go to the home one and I'm gonna copy um transform. Oh wait, no, I just need to copy that and then go to reading and then go to paste reference. Um, put this under the YouTube chat border overlay. Um, so now I need to go to transform 1544. 1544. Oh, okay. So this one, um, 15440. Okay, now I need to fix the size. Transform. Uh, 376, 376, 179. 376, 179. Wait. Um, 376. 1079. So 376, 179, and I think we're good. Home, Discord, that, and that. Oh man. Okay. So we'll go back home. Copy, close, new tab, paste and go. Hello. Is there any reason why the lag? What's with the lag though? Um, doopy doopy doo. Discord. That, that, that. Maybe he's not on. But this is kind of cool. How do I fix the whole thing with the okay, so stream settings. Why is the low latency not there? But it's looking pretty cool. It's moving. It's moving really good. So now I'm kind of just sitting here waiting to see if I get a message because I got this fancy test script and I need someone to test it for me. It's not fair, but it's kind of cool. I do have the automatic scene switcher there for um, the Lua script for it. I just don't have it enabled yet. I have to go back and do that again. Um, but um, I really want to make sure I get everything down pat first. Come on, man. I need help. I'm waiting on. Doopy doopy doo. I kind of thought beyond someone else that at least stars would be on for this. I might have to find someone else. Um, I don't know how this is gonna go. Doopy doo. Well, of course, this is just the scene for just me. Um, Let me do some test messages. Um, this is a test message. Um, I went to the store, but they had no plastic bunnies. Fine, Benui. That is a little laggy. Hello? Come on. Oh, Benui. That's cool. Um, so I'm gonna go back here and say what's shaking. I think what I don't like so far is that the text on this is uh, nano YouTube chat Lua. Um, we'll go back to the terminal so you can see, I guess. I'm looking for the white text, so I think it's um, pound um, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Um, Name. Color. Okay, so I made the color white. Um, did I not? Maybe I didn't. Maybe I didn't update that part. Let me go to scripts, reload, update, reload, update. Huh. So, um, the background color for the um, main for the for my name color is still yellow. Here's the source from the pop out chat window that could help. Oops. Okay, so go here. Um, Go here. Pop out chat. View page source. Um, Copy. Um, um, okay, so I do this, and then I can exit out of that one. Then I can go back to here, paste. No, just don't want to have the yellow background. We already fixed the welcome message from appearing. Here is the current code. Around my name. Okay, so upload file. We'll go back to home, config, OBS Studio, scripts, YouTube chat.lua. Open that. Okay. Okay, so now We can exit that. Move YouTube chat.lua. Oh wait, let's see what we have here. Move YouTube chat.lua. YouTube chat.bk5. Oh, that's 5 variations now. Nano YouTube chat.lua. And we're gonna paste where, and then we're gonna check our 20. Good. They didn't mess with that, so we'll save, exit. We'll go back into OBS now. Reload and update. Update, reload, update. Yeah, that didn't work. The color around the yellow around my username is still there. That did not fix it. Here's a screenshot. Okay, so now we go back to OBS, print screen, okay, save, save, go back to that, upload file, pictures, scroll down to our latest screenshot, submit. Okay, so copy code, rm YouTube chat Lua nano YouTube chat Lua paste paste save go back into OBS, refresh, update. Uh, um, okay, so color equals white. Let me see if I can copy. Can we try changing the background color in this section? So background color and background. So we're gonna copy that. Go into here. Um, Reload. Oh my goodness, I fixed it. Color equals black. Um, okay, if I changed color to black, color black is is color white to color black, then what's the CSS for uh, the outline to be white? Copy. Okay, so I go into um, color. Okay, so I can, instead of doing this, I'm going to make this a comment so I don't lose it. Um, okay, so now I can that, save that. Okay, so then I can reload date. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Um, yeah, let's not do that. That actually kind of hurts. Okay, so um yeah, that's our okay, so this is the actual chat message. Let us get rid of that. We'll save that. Okay, so this would be um and then here we would put that and then that, paste that, then we can save that and go like that. What if I go back and make that yellow? Um, um, I could make it red. Black looks ugly there. Red. Um, what if I make the 900? Save. That didn't work at all. 800. Save. Red doesn't work. Um, maybe it looks better in OBS. Um, the full screen. Let me get this out of the way. Um, it probably just doesn't look good with the shadow. Yeah, I have that minimized so that. Okay, so what we need to do is change. Okay, we'll go back in this, and we're just gonna get rid of the text shadow that is just not working. Um, and then we go to end, down, end, 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 and then we do Control K to cut that. We are gonna go like that. Um, we're just gonna leave the text shadow there. Maybe if we mess with the text shadow, it will be legible. Save. Um, update chat. I actually kind of like that. Doopy doopy doo. I think I got it. So there's home. Oh, finally. I love it. Oh, man. Okay, so let's say that I do this. Will this game work if I um, uh, game input Xbox controller load close If I go into OBS, does the window have to be open? Oh, it has to be open. That's pretty loud. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to this and then this is so messy. Okay. Let's see what happens there. Okay, so okay, so okay, that is kind of sweet. Hello. I haven't been doing this well yet, but I'm working on it. Um, okay, and then That didn't work out at all. Okay. Come on. Alrighty. I'm trying to get this figured out to work with OBS, and I'm testing the username, but I have someone here that's not even on the chat list. Oh. Let's see. Let's go back into OBS again. Okay. YouTube Studio. Okay, so channel comment, community. Okay, I'm gonna end this stream and start a new one. Okay, so let me